Hello everyone, welcome to SportTube. Friends, today in this video we learn how to earn free Bitcoin. Yes, as you know, Bitcoin is very important currency in the world, and today I want to show you how you can earn a free BTC. Because many people ask me, sir, create a video about free earning websites. So today I want to share with you a best earning website of BTC. Okay, so without wasting any time, we are go to our topic and we learn how to earn a free Bitcoin. Before starting this video, I request to all of you, please subscribe my channel and like my video and share this with all of your friends because we are always creating video like this. Hope you like this video. Okay, so let's go to our topic, and first we want to go our browser, and here in the browser you can search a-ads.com. Okay, so this is the website a-ads.com. As you can see here, the little URL. So first of all, we want to review this website and we learn how much we earn from this website. Okay, so as you can see, the impression daily and clicks dailies and average CPM is very good. Okay, before start this, we want to know how much we earn daily. Okay, so first of all, we want to see a advertiser. As you can see in the advertiser, we have two options. First here, create ads, and second here, select your website. Okay, let's go to the first, and in the first, create advertiser campaign. This is for the advertiser. If you want to advertise and if you have any product and you want to promote that, you can come in this area and you can select your campaign here, create your advertiser. Like you can create your title, which one you want to use, and here you can get the text, and here you can give the links. Here you can select your language and daily budgets, and here you can see the daily budget and impression per day here, and here is clicks per day. So this is for the only for the advertiser. So let's go to the second. Okay, in the category of crypto ad unit advanced sites, and here you can select your ad, which kind of ad you want to create, and here you can create your website ad unit, and here is the more option about this area. Okay, so this is the second one option. Okay, so now we go to the earning. This is the main topic for this video. Okay, first click here and see here you can create an ad unit. This is the first one option. Click here, and now you can see here have a number one, select ad unit type. Okay, so in the earning BTC advertiser, as you can see here have the three options. First, sites, second, app, and third, affiliate. Here we can choose how we want to earn the BTC. And in the first area, first option, we want to select sites, and we are going to here in the size of ad unit, which one size we want to use. For example, we are going to use this one. Okay, so here we are give the website which one you want to use. Here you can paste a page URL which one you want to use, and after this you can select more option here, and here have the disallow naughty and many more sexual ads. And in the second option we have to see disallow gaming and more. So we want gaming ads work on this unit. So after select this all, click on here I'm not a robot and click to create the ad. Okay, so after this we want to see how much daily we earn. And as you can see here have for millions $5.53 we earn, and here you can see per clicks. If anyone come to our website and click on this ad, it's mean we earn $0.51 per click. This is the very good earning because we are advertised in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the good currency in the world. Okay, I hope you understand how to create an ad unit, and go to the second option. Second option is app. In the app you can also create your ad unit same like before we create, and here have also same earning, everything is same. Okay, and let's go to the affiliate. If you have a good traffic in your hand like a Facebook page and Twitter and many more like this, so I recommend you can select affiliate program. Here is the description area. You can describe where you want to advertise, and after this you can select here I'm not a robot, and after create this you have the code of this ad unit. You can paste that in your Facebook advertisement, you can paste that in Twitter and many areas where you want to use. So this is a 3-way to earn a BTC for free. Okay, hope you understand how to earn a free BTC. Now you can sign up by clicking here. Okay, so after review, now we want to sign up. And how to sign up? Now you can click here to sign up area, and here you can put an email, which one you want to use. And after that you click here I'm not a robot and sign up. After sign up, he send a password to your email to verified. You can use that password and put that here to login area. After that you can start your earning. Hope you like this video. This is very great platform for you if you want to earn a free BTC. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. See you next time. Bye bye.